Hello, and this is a video about how to get reviews and testimonials to your site and how to sort of organize it all. This is for a particular criminal lawyer, and this is a brand new site we just put up. And this is a lawyer who pretty much didn't have much of a web presence and hasn't done anything with getting reviews. So we're pretty much starting from scratch, except uh, we have taken step one and we had the lawyer get a number of AVO reviews from his most recent clients, which he has done, and that's sort of given us something to work with. So the very first step in my strategy here is to create a main reviews and testimonials page just like this. And as you see on this particular page, we have his AVO reviews listed with links. So the person, if they click on it, they're going to go to that particular review. So the other thing on this particular page is we tell them is that you can leave a review by clicking the review button. If I do that, the person can easily leave a review by leaving their name and put their rating in their review. And as soon as they hit to submit, it goes into the queue, and then when the attorney looks at it, he has to approve it. It's not like anybody can just put a review up. So that's like the basic way. That's like if nothing else, you would like someone to do that. But the obvious thing is that you want them to leave you a review either at Google My Business or Yelp. Those are the two big ones. For lawyers, also Avo's the other big one. And there's a lot of other directories, including Yahoo, Superpages, and the list goes on. There's plenty of them. But, you know, the main ones to focus on, I would really say, are just two or three of them. So here we talk about Google My Business. So if the person clicks on this, it then brings them to the Google My Business page for this particular attorney. And it talks about how you can leave a review for Matt Chappell and to follow these instructions. And this is directly from Google. And they talk about to open Google Maps, and there's a link right here to it. And to number one, make sure you're signed in, that you must be signed into your Google account in order to leave a review or create a new Google account. The next thing to do is search for the particular attorney, and then on the box it appears, uh, click the write a review, and then I have a link here as well so they can click on it. And then we also are going to have pages for Yelp and Avo, and then we have the link back to the general review page. So what the strategy here is, once you have this all created, is to then send your clients, after you have a case with them, send them some kind of thank you email with a link to this particular page. This then makes it easy for them to either leave you a testimonial right on the page, or hopefully follow the links and leave you a review at one of these others. It makes it a lot easier. You can also, another strategy is to, if you have an email list of existing clients or past clients that you never even thought of asking for a review, probably couldn't hurt to send them sort of like a hello and see how they're doing, and ask them if they were satisfied with your services, if they could please leave a review. And you'd be surprised at how many of them might not only leave you a review, but maybe needs you for another case, or refer you to somebody. So it's always good to be in touch with people. So anyway, hope you've learned something. If you need any assistance, you can contact me at 630-393-0460, or visit my website at eChicagoWeb.com. Thank you very much.